Did I say last month that I would get back to filming videos every single week for you? I think I did, and I haven't done it. I'm very sorry, but I am back and I am going to start filming videos again every single week. I have plans, I have many, many plans, and we will start this month fresh with October's unboxing video. So the boxes went out on Monday. It's now Thursday. Lots of people have been receiving them already and I have seen lots of lovely, lovely feedback. And these are the first boxes in the new format. The fat quarters have gone. We have said goodbye to the fat quarters. They are gone and we have something new in the boxes this month. So I'm really, really excited to show you. Let's dive straight in. I am going to start off with the beast that is the luxury box. This needed a lot of muscle power to pack up. Let's pop it down here and I will show you a little bit of the magazine. So the theme this month, it's October. October is Halloween. I never ever go full novelty when it comes to Halloween or Christmas, but I do like to give a little wink and a little nod, whatever that was, to Halloween. So the theme this month is It's a Kind of Magic. The magazine is really, really lovely. Lots of inspiration. We've got interviews with community members, people who subscribe to the boxes, as well as businesses who have products in the boxes. We have spotlights. Now, with the fat quarters, we always had Tamlin do a tutorial, like a step-by-step guide to make something with the fat quarters, but we've changed it up a little bit this month. With the 3 boxes, 3 makes article, so Gemma, Laura and Esther always get the fabrics in advance and they make something to show you in the magazine. So what we've done is Gemma, Laura and Esther are still getting the fabrics, but instead of the mini fabric, one of them will now be getting the extra additional length of fabric that's going into the classic and luxury boxes. And then Tamlin is going to basically do something different every month, whatever she likes. She's going to do some articles, some writey bits. And this month she's done a couple of features. The first one was, where is it? Starry Night project pics. So she's come up with a few ideas of what you could use the new additional fabric for. And then she did, I'm going to pop this on the blog actually because this is really cool. She did movie magic, we called it, and she chose 3 spooky Halloweeny movies and came up with some pattern suggestions based on those movies. So we've got Practical Magic, my absolute favourite autumnal Halloweeny movie. I watch it every single year. The other 2 I've not actually seen and I think I need to. So one is The Craft and the other is Heather's. So she's got some really lovely pattern pics to go in there. There's lots of other amazing stuff in the magazine. It's 40 pages long, 35 pages long, and it's chock with inspiration and stuff. So I'm not going to go into too much detail. Now, of course, there's always a sweet treat. This month was requested by my husband, Andy. We put this particular sweet treat in the boxes a few times, and he's always asking, when are we going to do that again? And I have to buy a whole extra box. Magic stars, delicious little chocolatey goodies. Then I got in touch with the lovely Megan at Pigeon Wishes. This is a husband and wife team and they do wholesale fabrics, but they also do the most beautiful collection of buttons. And we have a little set of these gorgeous, really dark blue, marbly buttons. They are absolutely stunning. There are 6 in a pack. So those are in the classic and luxury boxes. Then we've got thread to match the main fabric. Right, the new additional fabric. So there is 1 meter of this fabric to replace the fat quarters in the classic and luxury boxes. And it is this cotton. Isn't it stunning? It's called Starry Skies. And as you can probably guess, it is inspired by the Vincent van Gogh Starry Night painting. So it's got this like swirl of stars, swirly whirly sky. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. And it's really wide as well for cotton fabric. It's really, really wide. So there is a lot of fabric actually in this 1 meter piece. I personally think this would make a really great, if you are starting to think about Christmas gift sewing, I think this would make a really great tie. If you have someone who likes ties in your life, maybe your dad, husband, brother, you know, that kind of thing, this would make such a gorgeous tie. Loads of, yeah, and you've got a lot of fabric to play with, so you can make two, you can make a matching set. That would be awesome. Right, so that is the new fabric. Then the pattern in the luxury box this month is the Wonder Wrap Dress from Wardrobe by Me. This is a new to me pattern company. We haven't had them in the boxes before. It's a lovely, lovely pattern. You can't go wrong with a jersey wrap dress. It is a classic style. This one looks like it would be really, it fits around your bust and then floats nicely over your stomach and hips. It's quite a lot of fabric in the skirt. They've called it a 6 gore skirt. So yeah, you've got panels there. And a nice long wrap as well, nice long sleeves, so really good to get super cozy this autumn and winter. So I guess you might be able to tell what kind of fabric is in the luxury box, but wait till you see it. When I saw this fabric, I knew you guys were gonna love it. It is a viscose jersey in purple, blue, and gold. Marble effect. Is that not the most stunning thing you have ever seen? It's so, so beautiful. So this, like, it's not actual gold, obviously it's just printed on, but it looks like gold running through. It's got a real gorgeous marble colour. You've got some teal in there, black, purple. It's so swirly and just stunning. So I'm making a simple sew Lena, Lena, L-E-N-A, I'm never sure how you pronounce that, wrap dress, which is a dress that I've made a few times. So it is a T&T pattern, and that's what I'm making. I'm nearly finished, I've just got to add the sleeves. I can't wait to get this finished and sewn up. It's beautiful. I can't wait to see what everyone else makes from this fabric as well. So that's the luxury boxes. I shall scooch over here to get the classic box. So here is the classic box. Everybody always loves the yellow tissue paper. We have the sweets and the buttons and the magazine, the fabric. So like I said, this fabric, the extra fabric, is only going into the classic and luxury boxes. The mini boxes are now getting 1.5 meters instead of 1 meter of the main fabric. So yeah, that's how that's gone. Right, I'm gonna take the main fabric out, rustle, rustle. So there were 2 different colorways of the fabric in the classic and mini boxes. And it is this. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's a viscose twill. So it's got a really, really lovely weight and drape to it. It's not too floaty. It's just stunning. And this one is in black, and it's got this sort of silvery, browny, hazy, leafy print. And then the other colorway was this really dark, like navy blue. Which way up do I want it? This way. Which again is so, so beautiful. Both of them are gorgeous. I have some of this one washed, and I think I'm gonna make either something like the Maya Sotis dress, or is it the spring dress by Nina Lee that was in a magazine a couple of years ago. I bought the magazine specifically for that pattern and I haven't used it yet. And I know that pattern says 2.5 meters, so that would be a really good one to try. I just am absolutely loving the floaty autumnal dresses with boots and tights. It's never gonna go out of fashion, is it? Autumn dresses with tights and boots and chunky knit cardies is never going to go out of fashion. And this fabric is going to be perfect for that. So that is October's boxes. I will let you know as well what I'm wearing, because I'm sure lots of you might ask in the comments. I'm going to do a video not next week, but the week after, or the week after that, showing the things that I have made over the last few months, because I have been terrible at actually showing you what I've been making. But this is the Pattern Emporium Sea Change jumpsuit. I'll pop a picture here because I took some photos this morning. This is just a ready to wear roll neck top in this mustard, which pairs really nicely. And I changed the pattern slightly. It's not supposed to have buttons here, but I needed to be able to take it on and off a bit more, and I didn't want to do, you can do a open back facing if your hips are particularly more than a couple of sizes bigger than your bust. It suggests to use an open back facing, but instead of that, I added buttons here, and these are from Pigeon Wishes that we had in the boxes a couple of years ago. I think in our Sunday brunch themed box, which was a February box 2021, I believe. And they're called Chai Latte. That's where that came in. So yes, I absolutely love this jumpsuit. The legs are very wide and very breezy. So this time of year, I'm putting leggings underneath as well. Right, that is everything for me today. The website is now open for new subscribers. If you aren't already signed up to the boxes, you can do so now in time to get your first box in November. I have received the sample fabrics to send off to Gemma, Laura and Esther. They are beautiful, so gorgeous. I think you're going to love the theme. We've done something around this kind of theme before, and it always goes down really well, so I can't wait to get those out for you as well. So head over to the website and check out all the different boxes that are available and get subscribed. Have a lovely day, everyone, and I will see you all next week. I will be back. Bye.